So over here, you can see that I have an organization chart, and let's say I want to reorder the manager right here. So if I were to just drag in the manager just like that, you can see that it actually changes just like that. Let me just press Ctrl Z because I just changed that out. So you can see that I can drag around just like this. But if I just want to change the position, for example, you can see the manager 1 is here, manager 2 is there. I just want to swap the places and the person as well. So what I can simply do is select the box for the manager, and you can see that on the organization chart, you can see that there's move. So if I were to go over here and click on move right, you can see that now manager 2 comes to the left and manager 1 goes along to the right, and position 1 and position 2 and the manager 1 also comes over here just like that. So you can move it to the left or right just like that. You can also go over here to the position of people under manager and click on the arrow, and that will rearrange accordingly. You can also go over here and then arrange the layout just like this. So you can arrange the layout over here, just drag it out over here just like this, and you can rearrange this out as well. So you can move it up and down just like that. So that is how you can reorder team members inside of Microsoft Visio. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.